Importance of funnels in digital marketing. Well, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss why funnels are essential in digital marketing. What makes it so important? Why you cannot have a successful digital marketing campaign if you have not built a funnel. Let's start with a fun fact. Did you know that companies using well-crafted funnels can see up to a 300% increase in their conversion rates? Well, 300% increase is a lot. It can make or break your business. It is the difference between staying poor or staying broke to becoming successful. 300% more conversion rates. That's the power of funnel. Let's break it down now. Funnels help businesses by organizing the customer journey. Without a funnel, potential customers might visit your site, look around, and leave without taking any action. That happens every single day on your website. People come to your website, they move around, but they end up not buying it. So it's just like a shopping mall. You enter a shopping mall, you have so many stores and so many options, you look around everything, but you do not buy anything until you are passed through a funnel. That's like having a store where people walk in, browse, and walk out without buying anything. A funnel creates a structured path guiding your customers step by step towards making a purchase. So what those steps are? So let's say you saw a hoarding of a product somewhere outside the store or somewhere outside the mall. Okay, so you became interested. You came inside the mall looking for where to locate the product. Then you saw an arrow sign that this is on the first floor. So on the way to first floor, you find a few people talking about the product. You find a few good reviews about the product. So you keep moving towards the store. On the way, you find some discount offers published. So okay, if you buy worth $500 or if you buy $100 worth of product, you get $20 free. So you get different offers along the way. You get some urgency created. You have some urgency created that the offer ends today only, or the offer ends in next 2 days. So things like these keep coming to you till you enter the store. Now when you enter the store, you are shown with different products. You are made to buy more things than you came to buy. You are made some upsells, then you are made some downsells, and then when you visit the counter, you have some more options to buy. That is the order bumps. So whatever terms or tech things that I am telling, you will find all of these later when we start building the funnel. So you will have upsells, you will have order bumps, you will have downsells, you'll have a lot of things. But yeah, that's the entire funnel journey. So it ensures that at each stage they are getting the right information and motivation to move to the next step. That's what I was talking about. Another reason funnels are vital is data. Funnels provide valuable insights into your customers' behavior. So let's say in an offline world where you saw the banner hoarding ad and then you entered the mall, but then you did not buy anything. So since it's an offline world, I don't know who saw the banner, who came to the store but did not buy anything, who left at what stage. I have no idea. But funnels are vital. Why are they vital is because they provide you that data. They provide valuable insights into your customers' behavior. You can see where people drop off and optimize those stages to improve conversions. Now this data-driven approach makes your marketing efforts more effective. So if people are bouncing off or not taking action after they saw your banner ad or the hoarding ad, that means something is not right with the hoarding, because people are not moving to the next stage. Or people entered the mall but did not do anything next. That means the banner or the hoarding is okay, it is driving customers to the next step, but then there is something wrong inside the mall. So you then work on, but because in real world you do not have those feedbacks, you cannot work on that, and that is why online funnels work. In short, funnels are the backbone of successful digital marketing strategies. They help in attracting, nurturing, and converting leads systematically, ensuring that no potential customer slips through the crack. Now that you know why funnels are so important and what makes funnels so important, let's explore how AI tools can supercharge your funnel creation. See ya. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. And should you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll be around and happy to answer you.